Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video at the world of crypto. In today's video, I got some amazing news for PYTH stakers. Now, 7 days ago, I had made a video on how you should stake PYTH. And I basically talked about how PYTH is a growing ecosystem where many projects are being developed within its protocol. And these projects are going to end up having their own native token, which will be airdropped to the PYTH stakers who are the ones supporting the protocols. And just today, we got an announcement from PYTH themselves, where on January 30th, 2024, ZeroLend announced a point-based campaign with a quest involving the PYTH governance token stakers. Now, for the people who do not know, ZeroLend is a forefront of the decentralized finance movement, and it offers a seamless lending protocol built on the zkSync blockchain. Now, ZeroLend has already created the campaign quest dashboard, which shows how much points you have already accumulated. And this is something that we'll take a look at as we go further into the video. We can see that they already have a criteria for PYTH stakers in which you can connect your wallet and accumulate the points. This is something that we'll take a look at as we go further into the video. But first things first, you want to go to the staking dashboard for PYTH. Once you are over here, you want to connect your Phantom wallet and you'll see the amount of PYTH you have staked. Now you want to click on profile, and this is where you're gonna have to connect your EVM address. This is where you would want to connect your MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum blockchain. So you want to connect your Ethereum address over here and click submit. You're gonna have to pay a little bit of Sol gas fees, but it's super cheap to do so. So once you have done that, you can then go over to the ZeroLend Airdrop site. Now I'm gonna leave a link to my referral code in the description below. This would greatly help me out if you guys are interested in supporting. So if you are, please make sure you use my code, as that would really mean a lot to me. But once you are over here, you want to click on connect wallet, and once that is done, you want to click on I am not a robot and connect your MetaMask wallet. Now you're gonna be required to sign a couple of signatures. This is completely safe, but do it at your own discretion, obviously, and make sure you're on the right site. Once you have done that, you're gonna be able to go down and join their actual Discord. Now at this current moment, their Discord is really buggy, as there's a lot of people trying to claim their points at the current moment. So I recommend that you try this in a couple of days. But what you want to do is click on this button over here, which will let you join their Discord. Once you have connected your Discord to this campaign quest system, you want to then click on the claim button, and this will let you claim 100 points. You can say good morning. This is something that I'm trying to do at this current moment, but I can't access the Discord. But once you do say good morning after you have fully verified on ZeroLend, you can then get the role off of this website, which is guild.xyz/ZeroLend, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. You want to click on join. I believe it says join guild to get the roles. Once you have connected your Discord, once you have connected your Twitter, you will be then fully verified. Now at this current moment, I've been trying for the past couple of hours. It hasn't been working, but I'm going to try in a couple of days to see if it will work. And once I get the fully verified address, or not the address, the role within the ZeroLend Discord, I'll be then able to possibly get this 10 points per day by just simply typing good morning. Now once you have done that, you want to go all the way down and click on claiming your PYTH staked rewards, and this is where you can just simply click on this, and you want to sign the couple signatures which we have connected with the EVM wallet. And once you have verified how much PYTH you have, it will then process the amount of points. So in this case, you get 1 point per PYTH stake. So I got 1,617 because that's the amount I have actually staked at this current moment. And after doing this, you're going to be able to see how many points you have available. There's actually a leaderboard which showcases how many people are above you or below you. So in this case, I'm ranked 13k in the total leaderboard, but that's because many people have been farming ZeroLend on the zkSync platform for supplying collateral or borrowing assets in the lending market, which is their main asset. This is just the add-on for us PYTH stakers because we get a small portion of this airdrop, but you can see that this is a great start to be able to claim different types of airdrops within the PYTH network by just simply staking the PYTH tokens, which has a lot of appreciation and value in this bull market. So that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This is just a brief video showcasing you how you can be eligible for the ZeroLend airdrop for PYTH stakers. Now with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow us on Twitter if you guys haven't already, so you can stay up to date with the latest the crypto news. Sorry, I keep saying AI because actually the creator of World of AI, and it's just hard for me because I always make videos on AI every single day, so I always blabber about AI. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you follow us on Twitter. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notification bell, like this video, and check out our previous videos because there is a lot of content that you will definitely benefit from. So with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.